Microsoft Teams is a great product, but it has its own problems. And one of the problems is search for Teams in Teams. So let me show you how to search for Teams in Teams, actually. So currently I log it in Office 365 under user 31. So let me start Teams. And we can see that user 31 actually is a member of like a bunch of teams, right? 5 teams related to birds and some test ones. All of them are public teams. You can see org here. That means that any user in organization has access to the team. One team is private, this one. And you see it says team here. So, okay. Now let me switch to another account. Yeah, this is another browser window. And here I log it in as a user 32. And let me start Teams again. Okay, user 32 is a member of only one shared team, test 105. Okay, how do I search for teams? Well, I click join or create team. And it brings me to this screen. Well, you see that Microsoft suggests us some teams, but actually that's not the point of this video, because, well, in small companies where you have maybe 10 teams, it's okay. But in big companies, you might have 1,000 teams, right? So we still need ability to search for teams. So let me try to search. I know there are some teams with keyword birds. So let me try to search for that keyword. Okay, I found one. But why only one? Maybe I need to use wildcard to search for word birds in anywhere. Huh, it is not working at all. So maybe first asterisk is not working. No, it is not working. So wildcards are not working at all. Okay, let's search for birds again. So probably it's search only for first letter. Let's try Kerala. Yeah, we found one. Probably the moment is first letter. Okay, confirm. Yeah, it works this way. So, well, you see, I cannot search for, well, I can search only for team if I know first letter of team name. But what if I don't know first letter? I want to search for, like, maybe for China. No, nothing. So that's a problem I tried to tell you about. Now, how do we actually can search for public teams here? Well, I would suggest using SharePoint search. So here we can start SharePoint. And actually we can search for everything from here. So let's try the same, birds. And let us select sites. Okay, seems like we got all teams with birds in the team name. What about bird watching? Wildcard. Would it work? Oh yeah, it is working. So all 5 teams related to birds are found. Cool. Actually, we can use the same search under office.com. Yep, same result. Oops. Here we go. All right, that's it for now. So if you cannot find public team in Teams search, use SharePoint search. That's the point. Thank you. Bye-bye.